Borion Client has updated to Minecraft 26.0 already, which is obviously fantastic. As you can see, I'm on their GitHub page right over here where we can view the latest release for 26.x. But they actually also have a brand new GitHub page's website, so I'll link this down in the description below too. This is going to allow you to automatically download the latest version, which is great. We can click on this blue download borion.dll button and it'll start automatically. As you can see, I've got Borion over here in my downloads and Minecraft 26.0 started up. Now, because Borion is just a DLL file, we do still need an injector to be able to inject this. So I've got Fate Client Injector right over here. I'll link it in the description too if you don't actually have it yet. I recommend this one. We can simply select the Borion DLL over here, click on Inject, and it is going to inject right into Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now, if you do appreciate me showing you this, then make sure to subscribe, and also show some love for Mario, the main developer of Borion Client, who was able to update it so fast, and actually also the main developer of Oderso Client, a legit client that has also already updated to 26.0. Now that we have, though, Borion injected inside of Minecraft, we can open this up by simply pressing on the Insert button on our keyboard. This is the main Click GUI area. I'll explain a little more about how this works in a second, but if you do want a full in-depth usage tutorial, I will link that right down in the description below. For right now, I'll just show you how to get started with using Borion Client. So, very first, if you don't have an Insert button on your keyboard or you want to change the key that it is bound to, you can open up the chat, type in .bind, click GUI like so, and then any key you want, for example G, and now the keybind of click GUI will be set to G, and you can press on G to open and close the click GUI. Of course, you can't actually verify it, but you're just gonna have to trust me that this is the case. Anyways, for the rest, this contains all the utilities that Borion Client has. We can click on these to turn them on, and click on them once again to turn them off. You can actually right click on all the ones with a plus to open them up and actually display their customization settings. All modules have custom customization settings. For the rest, do keep in mind that because the client didn't update to 26.0 a very long time ago, there still might be bugs. If you encounter any bugs, then definitely make sure to let the developers know. At the time of recording this video, we are already on the second release for 26.0, meaning that the bugs should definitely be minimized. For example, last time the X-ray didn't actually work, but opening up the Click GUI and clicking on X-ray now, you're going to see that this is going to work beautifully. Just look at that. Anyways, for the rest, if you're not sure what certain utilities do, you can simply hover over them and you'll get a description in the bottom left-hand side. And you might have also noticed that we actually used some commands in the chat here earlier. You can type .help in the chat and you'll get a list of all of the commands that Borion Client has to offer, together with a little description of them as well, in case you're interested in exactly what they do. If you're unsure how to use a command, simply type the command in chat and it'll print the usage as well. And that's basically the basics of Borion Client. Definitely enjoy, and I hope to see you all again in the next one. Bye-bye.